Look, they can't get you because their things are, I'm dead. I'll feel it. It feels so good.
I want to touch that.
Chicken!
You're gonna hurt it.
This is the way you're supposed to hold it. This is the way.
Do you have that you're supposed to hold it?
It actually really doesn't hurt them. It doesn't hurt them.
It's so cruel though.
No, it's not. Actually, it really isn't.
Poor
You know
chicken.
that? It seems cruel, but it's not really, okay?
I
Okay?
need a picture of this.
Oh, God.
Is it a heavy chicken?
No. Look at me and smile.
Is that my mom's?
This is mine. Hey, look, a kitty.
Wow, that looks like my mom. No! Get back.
Stuffing the
It's stuck. You stuck. But it's not. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.